Okay, in this lesson, we'll take some time to study how to do filtering. By chance you have not been following along, we recommend you take a moment and pause the video just to familiarize yourself with the list, and feel free to join in when you're ready. So what exactly is filtering? Simply put, filtering is a way for you to view just a specific portion of your list. Put another way, by chance you know that card game called Go Fish, it's roughly the same. What you're really doing with filtering is saying, gimme all your fill in the blank. Just like we covered in the sorting lesson, whenever you want to do filtering, you want to make sure that your column headings are in bold so Excel knows the column headings from the body of your list and will not include them when you do your filters. So just like everything else in Excel, there is a whole myriad of ways to do filtering. The goal here is just to show you the most commonly used methods. So let's turn on our filter first and then do some actual filtering. So to turn on our filter, step 1, we want to make sure we are in the body of the list. Step 2, go up and click where it says data, and then click the funnel icon where it says filter, and we'll see some drop-down arrows appear at the top of our list where the field headings or column names are. And from here, it's very straightforward. All we have to do is just click on the drop arrow and go fishing for what we want. In this case, let's say we want to see a specific country. So we can go up here and click the drop arrow where it says country, uncheck select all, and then check the country we want to filter. Click OK, and there is our filtered list. Moving on, if we want to reset ourselves and see the entire list, we have a couple choices. We can go up and click on the drop arrow and choose clear filter, or we can check the box where it says select all and then click OK. The choice is yours. And now from this point, it's just a combination of what we want to see. So for example, if we want to see 2 countries, we can click the drop arrow, uncheck select all, check off the countries we want to see, click OK, and there we go. Now let's clear this filter and move on. If we wanted to, we could filter across multiple columns. So let's go up here and click the drop arrow where it says country, pick one, then jump over to customer source, pick one, and now we have a more refined filter. Moving on, we can also filter by numbers if we want. Let's go over here and click a number column, go down to where it says number filters, and we can see all the choices that we have. In this case, let's say we want to see all of our profits between 75 and 100. So we can make that selection here. Then we can type out the values we want to see. Click OK, and there's the numbers between 75 and 100. Very straightforward. Let's clear that and move on. Since we're talking about filtering numbers, another cool thing we can do is click the drop arrow here, go down to where it says number filters, and then look for where it says top 10. We can make our choice between top or bottom. In the middle, we can change the number. And then over here on the right, we can choose between items or percent. In this case, we'll leave things as is. Click OK, and right there's the top 10 items. Let's clear that out and move on. For this next demo, I applied some shading to some cells to demonstrate a specific filtering feature. By chance you ever work with a list and some of your cells are shaded, you can actually filter them out. The way you do that is it does not matter which column heading you choose. Simply click the drop arrow of your choice. You'll then see filter by color. From there, pick the color you want to filter by, and there you go. Once you're done using the filter, you can turn it off by clicking on the filter icon. And we'll conclude this lesson with this tip. Another way to filter is to right-click in the column that you want to sort by, then go down to where it says filter and make the selection that you want. And that will conclude this lesson.